Are you ready to take your craftsmanship to the next level? Introducing the AENBUSLM-CNC Laser Engraving Head with AirAssist, a powerful tool that brings precision, speed, and creativity to your fingertips. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring DIY enthusiast, you know the frustration of dealing with tools that just don't cut it, literally. Uneven edges, slow processing times, and lackluster results can hold you back from achieving your vision. Imagine the disappointment of a project that doesn't meet your expectations, simply because your tools can't keep up. It's not just about the time wasted, it's about the potential loss. But what if you could solve all those problems with a single tool? The AENBUSLM-CNC Laser Engraving Head is designed to transform the way you work. With cutting-edge laser technology, this engraving head offers both 40W and 80W power options, allowing you to customize your projects with unparalleled precision. The AirAssist feature ensures every cut is clean, sharp, and debris-free. No more jagged edges, no more frustration, just perfect results every time. From intricate designs on metal to personalized engravings on wood, the AENBUSLM-CNC Laser Engraving Head handles it all with ease. The 450nm blue light nozzle technology ensures you achieve the fine details that make your work stand out. Notice the difference. The AENBUSLM-CNC Laser Engraving Head doesn't just perform, it excels, bringing your ideas to life with clarity and precision. Whether you're working on thick materials or delicate projects, the adjustable settings on the AENBUSLM-CNC Laser Engraving Head allow you to tailor your approach, ensuring every project is a success. With the AENBUSLM-CNC Laser Engraving Head, you're not just creating, you're crafting masterpieces. This tool empowers you to explore new possibilities, expand your creative boundaries, and deliver top-notch quality that your clients and customers will love. Built with durability and precision in mind, the AENBUSLM-CNC Laser Engraving Head is the reliable partner you need for all your engraving and cutting projects. Its innovative design and cutting-edge technology make it an essential addition to any workshop. Why settle for anything less when you can have the best? Elevate your craft with the AENBUSLM-CNC Laser Engraving Head with AirAssist. Experience precision. Experience speed. Experience excellence. Get yours today and start creating with confidence. If you want to access the official website of this machine, here is the link in the description.